Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive so you can get the Userful software onto your host PC. To start, you'll want to head to userful.com, and at the very top right hand corner of the screen you'll see the software download link. On the next page you'll see the most recent Userful software version. At the time of recording it's 10.2.3. You'll want to click the download link there as well. And you'll be taken to a submission form so you can download Userful, fill in your information. When you click the download software button, you'll be emailed a link which will take you to the video wall download screen. You'll want to click the green download button to get that started. While that's downloading, we'll need to get some additional software that'll allow us to flash an ISO image onto a USB drive. We recommend Balena Etcher as it's really easy to use and it's accessible on all of the major operating systems. To get it, go to balena.io/etcher. On their homepage, you'll notice there's a download button. Just make sure you're downloading the correct version for either Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'll download this here. Once you've downloaded the installer for Balena Etcher, you can open it up and install. Once you plug in your USB flash drive, Balena Etcher should automatically pick up the drive, but if it's the wrong one, you can always click the change button, and from there you can select the proper drive that's connected to your system. Once you've got the right drive selected, you need to select your image we downloaded earlier. Generally speaking, the Userful image will be named Userful dash with a version number. I've got mine here. You just click open. And the last thing you need to do is click the flash button. Once the process is complete, Balena Etcher will automatically eject your USB flash drive. And now you're ready to disconnect it from this PC and plug it into the computer that you're planning on installing Userful onto. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you need anything else, you can always go to support.userful.com for more tutorial walkthroughs and videos just like this one. Thank you and have a great day.